All right, today we are gonna make some tasty tostadas. So I've got all the things that you need: measuring cups, a can opener, bowl, spoon, a sharp knife, and a cheese grater so that you can complete everything. I also have all the ingredients: the tostada shells, the salsa, the cheese, chicken, corn, and black beans, and of course the romaine lettuce. So we're gonna start by cutting the romaine lettuce. And you can cut it. If you don't have a knife handy on you, you can also just rip it apart. We're gonna cut it. So I'm gonna start with just a few at a time. And we're just gonna roughly chop this all up. And I said, if you didn't have a knife, you can just rip it if needed. So let's finish chopping our lettuce. So you're gonna want about 2 cups of lettuce. If you want to use cabbage or another type of healthy lettuce, like a green lettuce, that will also work. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your tostada shells and you're gonna put about half a cup of lettuce on each of those shells. So we're just gonna place them on a plate. As you can see, things fall off, and that's okay. All right, so after we have put the lettuce on all of our tostada shells, we will move that cutting board out of our way. We will then going to measure out 2 cups of chicken. And that 2 cups of chicken we're gonna use, I'm using canned chicken today. You can use chicken breast that you have already cooked and cubed up. Canned chicken is a great option because it's fast and easy to use. So you're just gonna measure out 2 cups of that. Don't forget to wash your hands before you start cooking, of course. All right, so now that we've got 2 cups there, we are going to put in 1 cup of prepared salsa. And you're just gonna mix that all into your chicken. Mix that all together. And we're just gonna mix it up until it's all nice and coated. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna bring your tostada shells with the lettuce back. And you're going to put the chicken mixture right on top of each of these shells. Don't be afraid if things fall off. You're in your own kitchen. Doesn't matter. A-okay. You can just put it back on and everything will be fine. Now, once we've filled our tostada shells with the chicken, we're gonna move that back out of the way. We're gonna top them off with some black beans. So we have half a cup of black beans here. These are low sodium black beans. And you're just gonna put some black beans on each piece on top of each of the tostadas. This helps make them really tasty. After that, we're gonna add some corn. So we have half a cup of low sodium corn, just canned corn from the grocery store. It works great. And then final thing that we are going to do is top it off with some shredded cheese. So we have a 1/4 cup of low-fat cheddar cheese here. You can use any other type of low-fat cheese that you want, but that is our tasty tostadas.